Welcome back to another video. This is not video and this is a vlog for in English language. But here my two brother they speak only Hindi. But here is one another brother. He speak little bit English like introduction, and he is not speak. He isn't speak English. He speak only Hindi language. But we try to speak English in this vlog, and we are going to Chandigarh, Jirakpur for meeting purpose and for work purpose. And hopefully you are doing great and you enjoy your journey and you improve day by day. A lot of things you gain in your education, and so make I will make this video, not this video, this vlog. And so I try to explore something new, and I try to explain in English. So then this video is very useful for you, because if you watch this video right now, so definitely I put my efforts in this video, because this video is really I'm making this video for your helpful. So that's why I'm trying to my level best in this video. Keep continuing this vlog and watch this vlog. And one more thing, guys, I am trying to inculcate the habit in my speaking style. So that is vlogging, because I whenever I free and whenever I want to learn something new, then I switch my listening turn like education to vlogging, because whenever I watch lot of vlogs, then I learn so many things by vlogging. So that's why I think vlogging is another point where we learn a lot of things, and we learn so many things like city, like any tourisms and any like advantage. So I think vlogging is a part of learning. So you must learn this, and from you. So you must learn from vlogging.
Here you can see in front of me the Guru Nanak thermal plant. Guys, this plant was permanently shut down in September 2017. The main reason was its old age, inability to meet modern environmental and emission standards, and the high cost of generating electricity compared with newer power plants. The plant had been operating for about 43 years before producing its last unit of electricity.
So guys, we are here near about 7 p.m. and we stay here for some time for eating some food and take some rest. And here you can see, guys, Deepak Dhaba is a very famous dhaba in Punjab, and that place is near about which place, guys? Which place, brother? Danola. Okay. So whenever you come here in Punjab, like Danola, near about, then you must visit this place, because you can see there are so many public here and so many traffic because of his taste, because the dhaba taste is very delicious. So you must visit this dhaba. There you can see, guys, these are too much books in Hindi language. There are too many books. You can see bookstall. So now, guys, we are too much late, and we are now entered in Jirakpur city, like Chandigarh, and we have booked our hotel by mobile phone. So we will meet you at the hotel, and there are a lot of traffic jam in this city, because at night time you can see guys, in night time there are so much traffic in big cities. We struggle a lot in traffic. Okay, and so we will meet you at hotel.
Good morning, guys. We were up pretty late yesterday, but I still woke up early today, take a shower and got ready. My senior and My two brothers are still sleeping, but I have already finished my editing and trading work. And guys, check out this view. It's absolutely crazy, so beautiful and refreshing. What a great start to the day. Here you can see guys, I am planning to making coffee for 4 person. Like here you can see Amul and sugar and Nescafe. So yes, I am planning to making coffee for mixing all the sugar and Amul and Nescafe. So yes, let's start making the coffee. First of all I nap water, how much water we use in this coffee, and then we making this coffee. So guys, here you can see this is a Sukna lake in Chandigarh. It is one of the most famous place in the city. The lake was made in 1959 and is surrounded by beautiful hills. People come here for boating, morning walk and to enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. The view here is absolutely amazing, especially during sunrise and sunset. And guys, here my second day in Chandigarh, and I'm getting ready to going meeting purpose, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.